sometimes things end and, you know, we want to start over, do new cars and stuff like that. The 335i will still stay on the channel. This car is never going to go away from my collection because, of course, it's what built this channel on the, you know, in the N54 marketplace. But I do have to say goodbye to my 2016 BMW M5. Was an amazing car and I truly loved it. No issues whatsoever. But I'm looking to always continue to expand this channel. So I'm out searching for the next BMW that's going to, you know, come to this channel. I'm going to show all the same kind of DIYs, a lot of great modification videos and everything. So really looking forward to getting to that point. But, you know, this has been a great car and I truly enjoyed it here in the last 1 year of ownership.
I've officially sold my 2016 BMW M5. Gonna go to the new owner. He wanted to remain anonymous, so I respect that decision, of course. It will be in good hands for the new owner. My 1 year ownership experience has been wonderful. Just trying to change it up here on the channel. I've been currently hunting for the next BMW the last 2 months or so. So I've been a little somewhat quiet on that. I'm gonna bring something to the channel that you guys are definitely gonna be able to relate to a little bit more. I'm gonna have fun with it. And, you know, I'm gonna do this, you know, quite often, right? I'm gonna bring a lot of different BMWs to the channel as far as ownership wise goes. That way I can share the experience, you know, with certain BMW models. Ownership has been wonderful on my M5. And I kept the maintenance all up to par, so no issues, nothing really. It's been a great experience, to say the least. Lots of little goodies on it, but yeah, other than that, you know, looking forward to finally nailing down that next BMW here for the channel, and it is going to go crazy on the modifications on it and stuff like that. So we're going to take you along for the ride on that. I have a few potential options that I'm just waiting on as of right now. So if those come available, of course, a lot of stuff's out of state just because of, you know, it's kind of hard to find certain vehicles out there. So of course, if I nail down the car later this week and it passes the PPI and everything else, then I will, you know, have it shipped up here. But if you guys, you know, or definitely have thought about an F10 M5, you know, I go through all the main points. Check out my video here above. It's officially gone. Now the 335i is back in here. Still looking good as always, of course. So, you know, some new stuff here coming for the channel for the N54 335i. And we'll continue to search for the next BMW. I've been searching for about 2 months now, so it's a long, lengthy process trying to find the right vehicle, the right specs, the right color, the right maintenance history, all the good stuff. I'm sure you guys know where I'm coming from that. You know, you want to get an actual good car and not just take the first thing that looks okay kind of thing. So more updates to come on that, but I will be having a really good DIY here next week on the 335i, so I'm looking forward to getting that wrapped up, getting it done, and getting out to you guys. So some other good stuff to come. Other than that, you know, thanks guys for sticking around the channel. Looking forward to the next BMW that's going to be coming here very soon. A big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the plenty DIY videos on, you know, the 335i that I have here on the channel. And also, you know, the M5 content is still out there as well. And you can go ahead and check out all those videos too. All right, thanks, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Take care.